One of the basic principles of providing a secure system is to manage risk and protect sensitive information. The goal is to keep data private, unchanged, and available. The concept is also called the CIA triad, a widely recognized information assurance model. CIA stands for confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Private information can include personally identifiable information, which is something that could identify someone and include Social Security, credit card, or bank account numbers. It can also include business information, such as data, employee records, and trade secrets. Keeping data secure is very challenging in today's digital world, where nearly everyone, including companies, social media, hospitals, and many others, collect, store, and share our information. Confidentiality is the promise of keeping private information private by preventing unauthorized access. An example of a violation of confidentiality would be if someone other than your doctor's office gaining access to patient records and reading your medical file about your health issues. Integrity is protecting data from unauthorized changes. Data integrity can be compromised when information has been altered or destroyed, either maliciously or accidentally. An example of a violation of integrity would be a student going into the gradebook and changing his or her algebra grade from a C to an A. Availability is ensuring data and services are available only to authorized users when needed. When authorized users need access to data, they should be able to reach the data. One threat against availability is a distributed denial of service attack, or DDoS, which is an effort to interrupt or suspend services to legitimate users. A DDoS will use armies or botnets, which lie in wait at a predefined time and will launch an attack by sending multiple requests to a system and lock out legitimate users. To protect data, it's important to provide access to private data only to authorized individuals. Make sure everyone and everything who accesses data should verify their identity in some way. Methods include a password or PIN, a smart card, or a fingerprint. Businesses and organizations control access to digital data by assigning permissions, which allows access to the company data only to authorized users and no one else. We also use encryption, which scrambles and conceals the data in a format where the only way you can see the data is if you have a key. To protect against a violation of integrity or unauthorized changes, there are a few guidelines. Businesses and organizations should use specialized software that monitors for unusual or suspicious activity and notify someone if there are unauthorized changes to the data. You'll also want to keep systems current and upgrade when necessary. Businesses should back up systems regularly and store in an off-site location. And at home, you should make sure you have a way to back up your own personal data as well. I'm at this website where we can see a digital attack map showing top daily distributed denial of service attacks worldwide. We know there are threats to our privacy and security, but as you can see, there are many ways to provide confidentiality, integrity, and availability to protect your data.